A friend Shen. A friend Shen is a true best friend. He's trustworthy in keeping my secrets. He is soft-spoken at times, but if he's in mood, he can be loud. Shen's a talented guy. He can play almost any song in a guitar, can sing, good at math, and a fun guy to be with. That's why we hang out every day in school, even if we are late at class. He would not rush to go to the room without his friends. Chen can be a stress reliever. He is always ready to listen. One time, I was frustrated. I told him all my problems, and at the end, he makes fun of the situation. I think that his way of is saying he cares. This semester is almost over. I wish that Chen could be my blackmate next semester. Although that may not come true, I could always talk to him. After all, he is everywhere when I need him.